No stranger to the channel, it's the Galaxy S21 Ultra. I've already got a guide on this, but today I want to talk through it. This is a visual walkthrough. Let's open it up. I've grown to like this NFC Qi charging coil sticker Samsung started to use way back on the Galaxy S6. It's grown a lot since then. The battery, disconnecting it, all that important stuff. They've made it super easy by grouping all the connectors along the bottom of this board. I do wish they would put in some covering over the smaller components though. They are super close to the connectors and could easily be chipped off by the slip of some tweezers. It doesn't help that there are 11 of them, with 11 chances to slip. This top mid-frame shrinks every year that the wireless coil grows. The lower speaker is great. I love the little arrow directing you to a pry point for safe removal. Only 3 screws holding a charging port in. Apple, please take notes here. Shorty SIM tray. The loss of expandable storage is pretty disappointing. The main board is thick as the phone, a sandwich of PCBs. This makes water damage repairs pretty frightening. The camera array takes up roughly 50% of the area. It's a pretty incredible feat of electronics engineering. This is the frustrating thing, picking out the selfie camera. Hot glue seems like an afterthought. If they really needed it to not move, a simple screw bracket would have been a more repair-friendly route. I don't have much to say about the 5G radios. I've never gotten to test the millimeter wave. These are easy enough to remove and they can be changed easily. This antenna though, did it really need 7 triwing screws? I understand alignment is important, but we could have easily gotten away with like 3 Phillips heads, right? Why tape right here and only right here? Why is this vibrator labeled J instead of M? What do these mean? The biggest benefit of OEM part availability is how consistent everything is. It just fits perfectly every time. Everything in this has really tight tolerances. The flex connectors have almost no slack or wiggle room. It's really refined. Using identical screws throughout is seriously the best part of this repair. This super modular design makes repairs easier than ever. Samsung really maximized space usage and made use of the thickness that comes with that stacked motherboard. At this point, these are highly advanced point-and-shoot cameras that have the ability to make phone calls. Technology marches on. I love this repair for its ease, consistency, and flavor. I think beginners might be afraid of this one due to the cost of the parts, but all things considered, it's almost easier than an iPhone in terms of screw type and quantity. Compared to other Android phones, you aren't working with wire antennas, or again, multiple screw types. I'm digging the white on black the customer has, but wouldn't this look great transparent? A lot of my earlier videos were shot on an S21 Ultra. I think it's a solid phone and worth a repair despite the high cost. Thanks for sticking around. Let me know what you think of this repair. Do you think it's an easy one? Which one's easier? See you next time.